Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on EVS, lesson 5 animals. In the previous class we have studied about types of animals. And the types of animals, that is small and big animals like elephant, rhino you can take, and small animals like rat, cat, rabbit we have studied. Big animals, small animals. Now coming to birds, in birds too we are having big birds, small birds. Birds like ostrich, penguin, these are the big birds. And birds like crow, parrot, pigeon, these are the small birds. So in animals we have studied small animals, big animals. Animals have 4 legs, a tail. In the same way, small animals to have 4 legs and a tail. Now coming to birds, birds to have 2 legs and wings to fly. And in birds too we are having big birds, small birds, like ostrich is considered to be, penguin is considered to be the big birds. These birds, they are having wings but they cannot fly as they are very heavy. They are having 2 legs and 2 wings. But these birds, as they are very heavy in their weight, they cannot fly. Now coming to some small birds like crow, parrot, sparrow, these are small birds. They too have 2 wings. They too have 2 legs, but they are very light in weight, so they are able to fly. Birds have beak. They eat with the help of the beak. Whereas animals, they have teeth to chew their food. So birds have beak to eat their food. Now coming to some animals. Some animals live in water, like duck and swim. They can swim. Some birds or animals you can say like duck and swam. They can swim in water. Now coming to insects. Insects have how many legs? I explained you insects have 6 legs. Insects have wings too. So insects that have 6 legs and wings, those insects can fly. Whereas ant is also an insect. But ant will not have wings. It cannot fly. So in insects too we are having 2 kinds. Some insects can fly, some insects cannot fly. Because ant is not having wings, it cannot fly. Insects which can fly, you can take mosquito, housefly, grasshopper, butterfly, etc. So this is what we have studied in our previous class. Today we are going to study where do animals live. Some animals live on land. What are the animals which live on land? You can take etc. These are the animals which live on land. Some animals live in water. Turtle, dolphin, whale, etc. So some animals live on land. So what are the animals that live on land? Horse, deer, goat, cow, camel, etc. These are the animals which live on land. Animals that live in water, these are fish, turtle, dolphin. So animals that live in water, they are able to swim with the help of their fins. Dolphin, fish, turtle are some of the animals which live in water. Now some animals live on land, water. Now coming to trees. Now as we come to trees, what is the animal which we see mostly on the trees? Monkeys. Squirrel. Mostly the birds, we can say squirrel and monkey, live on the trees. So there are some animals which live on land, some animals live in water, some animals live on trees. So monkey, squirrel, owl, etc. are some of the animals which live on tree. Still we are having some animals which live both on land and water. Animals which live both on land and water. What are those animals? Crocodile, frog, salamander. These are the animals which can live both on land and water. So this is about the animals and places where do they live. Now coming to animals and their homes. Now, we human beings, where we are living? We are living in a house. Why we are living in a house? Because a house protects us from heat, cold, rain, protects us from enemies, etc. In the same way, as we are having a house to live, because it is protecting us from many things. In the same way, even animals too are having their houses. So, but here we are going to study animals and their babies. Animals and their babies. Cow. Cow is an animal. The baby of a cow is called calf. Deer. The baby of a deer is called fawn. Dog. The baby of a dog is called pup, or you can also say puppy. Now coming to cat. Kitten. Lion and tiger. The baby of lion and tiger, they are called as cub. So these are the few animals and their babies. The cow baby is called as calf. The baby of a deer is called fawn. Dog is called puppy or pup. Lion or tiger is called as calf. Cat is called as, a cat's baby is called as kitten. Duck, duckling. Crow, chick. Hen is also chick. So these are some of the animals and their babies. The names of the animals and their babies. Cow, calf, deer, fawn, dog, pup or puppy, cat, kitten, lion, cub. So these are the things we have studied about animals. Different types of animals, small animals, big animals. They are having 4 legs. Some animals eat with the help of teeth. Then coming to birds. Birds are having 2 legs and wings which help them to fly. Birds which are heavy can't fly. Birds which are light in weight can fly. Birds eat with the help of the beak. Coming to water animals. Then coming to the animals where they do places where they live. Some animals live on land like a lion, elephant, dog and deer. Some elephants live in water like fish, turtle, dolphin. So these animals, they swim with the help of their fins. Trees. Animals which live on trees is monkey, squirrel, owl and different kinds of birds we are having. Some animals, they live both on land and water. Example is crocodile, frog. So these are the animals where do they live. Now coming to animals and their babies. So each animal baby is called by different names. I gave you few names of those. Hope you have understood the lesson, children. Thank you.